What's up, guys? Another vlog. It's Sunday and it's the end of the week, so it's probably the last daily vlog that I'll do. Maybe it depends if how my days go in the next week. But yeah, it was awesome doing this. It was pretty cool, and to be honest, I didn't get much sleep last night, but let's do it. Let's get the vlog started. Welcome back. If you're new, what's up? Let's do it.
Here are the headlines.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna attempt to make some type of portable air conditioner. Basically, I cut out certain holes that I measure out from PVC pipe that I could stick in there, and then measure the fan that I could stick in there. So basically, I put frozen stuff in there, and then turn on the fan, which is cool inside there, which blows cold air out. So let's try to do it. Hopefully it works. It's just like a temporary thing that keeps you cool during the day. Why not? It's a project, something that I could vlog, so let's do it.
The technician.
So I'm gonna be a little honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. Whenever I try to make stuff like this, I always fail. So let's just hope that I can do it, I guess.
The technician.
Alright guys, I just finished it. It was pretty easy. It took a while because I had pretty bad craftsmanship, but basically the pipe that goes in, two out, and then the fan that goes on top. So basically when I turn on the fan, it's blowing out air. Let me see if I could show you. Here. Okay, never mind, that's a bad idea. Okay, here, we'll use this Ross. I don't know if that really video shows any justice about it, but it's blowing. So yeah, but it's hot outside. I'm sweating like crazy, man. It's like really hot. There we go. But yeah, we finished it. Well, I finished it. Now all we gotta do is get some ice. Put some ice in there. Let it cool inside. And then we'll bring out cold air out through this way. And to be honest, I don't know what room we'll put it in. It has to be a small room because it's a weak fan. So that will be done. Pretty cool projects to do just because I had no plans today. I had to do something. But yeah, I think it came out good. I should put like my initial right here. Jalapeno XD.
technician.
Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog now. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is the last day I should be daily vlogging. I could be continuing as long, it just depends on my days. But I'll say that I'll try. This whole week I would somewhat force myself to go outside, but for now on, since I'm not going to try to daily vlog, I won't force myself, but if it happens that I go out, then I'll go out and I'll vlog. So that'll be that. So thank you for watching all these videos. Thank you for your support. That's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smack up the thumbs up button, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. See you guys later.